How to Master AI Tools for Learning and Productivity in 2025. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can master the most powerful and practical AI tools in 2025 without needing to be a tech expert, a coder, or a Silicon Valley genius, just someone who's ready to upgrade their brain and their workflow. AI now powers your grammar checker, your personal assistant, your study buddy, your content creator, your schedule manager, and your creative partner. And when you know how to use it, you stop working harder and start working smarter, which is exactly what we're going to help you do next. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by information, struggled to stay focused while studying, or wished you had a personal tutor who could explain things in plain English without making you feel dumb, then the next few tools will absolutely transform the way you learn in 2025. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Perplexity AI. Unlike a regular search engine that gives you a long list of links to click through, Perplexity AI gives you answers instantly, backed by sources and laid out in simple, readable formats that make it perfect for research, brainstorming, or just understanding any topic faster. Whether you're organizing class notes, writing essays, or building a second brain, Notion AI can clean up your writing, summarize meeting notes, generate study plans, and even create to-do lists based on your reading material, all in one beautifully designed dashboard that helps your brain stay calm and focused. Elicit by Ott. Built for students and researchers, Elicit uses AI to scan academic papers, extract key ideas, answer specific questions, and help you find relevant information much faster than traditional Google searches, saving you hours every week if you're writing papers or doing in-depth reading. With an interactive tutor that's trained on high-quality educational content, Conmigo gives you step-by-step help in math, science, and language arts, while also encouraging curiosity and deeper thinking, making it ideal for middle school, high school, or early college learners. And when you combine just 2 or 3 of these AI tools into your daily learning process, you'll notice that not only do you understand things more clearly and quickly, but you'll also start to retain more, organize better, and feel a lot more confident in your own ability to keep up in a fast-moving world. Grammarly AI. Whether you're writing an email to your boss, a college application essay, or a social media post for your business, Grammarly AI doesn't just fix spelling errors. It rewrites your sentences for clarity, tone, impact, and flow, helping you sound professional, polished, and confident in everything you write. Jasper AI. Zapier AI. Zapier is like having an invisible assistant who connects your apps behind the scenes. So when you receive a new email, it saves the attachments to Dropbox, updates your Notion page, and sends you a Slack message all automatically and all without you lifting a finger. Clockwise and Reclaim AI. These 2 tools manage your calendar using AI, helping you protect deep work hours, avoid meeting overload, and schedule tasks based on your energy and priorities, which means that your day starts to work for you instead of the other way around. Otter AI. And when you start using just a few of these tools consistently, you'll realize that your work becomes smoother, your deadlines feel less stressful, and your mind feels freer to think creatively instead of getting lost in busy work. Watch what others are doing. Follow creators, educators, and professionals on platforms like YouTube, Reddit, or LinkedIn who share how they use AI tools. You'll discover shortcuts, templates, and creative prompts that you never would have thought of alone. Build your prompt library. AI is not just for students or content creators. It's transforming almost every profession you can think of. And the people who embrace it now will lead the way in their careers, their businesses, and their industries. If you're a freelancer, AI helps you manage clients, write faster, invoice quicker, and plan smarter. If you're in healthcare, AI is helping doctors summarize patient notes, create treatment outlines, and even improve bedside communication. And if you're in finance or law, AI helps organize documents, summarize regulations, and draft professional reports quickly and accurately. In short, no matter what field you're in, AI isn't here to replace your job. It's here to make you better at it. The only thing certain about the future is that change will keep coming, and in a world this fast, your ability to adapt, learn, and evolve with technology will be your most valuable asset. To stay ahead in 2025 and beyond, focus on developing 4 key habits. Test new tools monthly. Even 30 minutes a month keeps your skills fresh. Balance AI with human insight. Use AI to think faster, but always reflect deeper. Mastering AI tools in 2025 isn't about being perfect. It's about being proactive.